Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. I'm coming on here to do a gift loop video. GiftLoop, okay? Now, this is the app that I really find interesting because you get paid to swipe, you get paid to watch videos, you get paid to download apps, and you get paid to do surveys, okay? Now, I'm going to show you how it works. You see, right now I can earn 50 coins, so I'm going to hit that. Let me see. I'm going to push, yeah, there you go. So, what you do is you wait for it to load. Wait for the video to be done playing. You hit the little X and you get the points for it, okay? Okay. So, and it'll pop up on there. And as you see, I got the points for it, okay? So, this is this is the swipe option. You just swipe the screen. And, there's going to be every single time, just got the 50 points. So, you're gonna see cats in a picture with text, and it's gonna give you 5 coins. So you hit that, and you get 5 coins added to your balance. Okay. So you just swipe, and see, here's one right here called it's download and start. I've never downloaded this app before, and it's gonna give me 1,832 coins. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download and start, you guys. Remember what I said about downloading apps? If you've done, if you've had other apps on your phone where you get paid to download, make sure you've never downloaded it before because it will not credit you if you have, okay? So what you do on here is you install it, and you open it and you let it stay open for about 2 minutes, and then you go back to GiftLoop, and if it credits you, then you get the points. Just remember not to download an app you already have installed on your phone before in previous apps because it will not credit you. I learned that from watching videos. I tell you guys all the time, you should watch YouTube videos because they will really help you, okay? All right. I'm actually installing another app that's going to help me make money, and I'm going to make that. I'm going to tell you guys about that in a video, a future video, but right now I'm going to just show you what you're supposed to do. You download the app, you open it for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you let it stay open for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you close it when you're done. You know what? I'm going to do this later because I don't want to take up too much time in the video, so let's go back. Alright, so I'm going to install that later. Right now, I just wanted to show you what you do. If it says download and start, it tells you right here, you're only eligible if you've never installed this app before. It doesn't matter if you installed it on other previous apps that require you to download to get paid. Okay, so swipe, install, open, and register. This is TikTok. I don't know if you got to pay for that. It doesn't say. It just says install, open, and register. You get 366 coins. Okay? Always want to do the ones that just say download and start, and I can earn another 50 coins if I watch a video. See, apps like this, people should download more often because they really are worth it. Because it just requires you to do simple stuff. I mean, I stopped using this app for a while, and I guarantee you I probably could have already cashed out my $15 on it, but I stopped using it. So, which I think was really kind of a silly thing to do. But I stopped using it for a while, and, you know. So I'm going to get 50 coins plus the 5 coins I just got. So I'm going to take you over here. Okay, this is what I use. I use this in the surveys. So on this page, you guys can choose to do whatever you want on here. I'm going to show you what I do. What I do is I come down, I look for where it says install and open or install and run. And if I've never done it, Like right here, it says find, install, and run this free app, 500 points. Okay? Install and complete profile survey. Poll play, earn money and gifts. You get 3,100 coins to doing that. Okay? I've downloaded this app before, installed it, so I might not get points for it. And I'm going to be honest, I have installed that. And I never really, kept it because it didn't really, do anything for me. So what you're going to do, find, install, and run this free app, Bible Trivia. This I've never had on my phone. Find, install, and run this free app. Install and run, those are the ones you want to look for. Install and run, look for the ones that you've never installed before. This one won't work for me. Install and run. Install and run. See, the ones that say, see, look at all these. Look at this, you guys. Look at all these points that I missed out on. All this. Like, this stuff down here I'm not really looking for. But find, install, and run this free app is the ones you want to look for as well. And that's basically it. Now we go over here to tasks. This is something you want to do if you want to get more points. Basically paid offers. Okay? So we're going to go back. And I'm going to take you guys to the surveys. They have tap research surveys on here. And those are worth it. Trust me. They're worth it. They're well worth it. Okay? Well worth it. So that's it for the surveys. Now I'm going to take you over here to how you get paid. Okay? So basically, you have to get 300,000 coins to cash out $15 to PayPal. Okay? It takes 300,000 coins to cash out $15. I understand that sounds like a lot, but if you work this app every day, once a day, put an hour or two into it, you get to 300,000. If you do what I've just told you that I do. You could choose to do whatever you want, but that's my routine for this app. No, I have not got paid from it yet because I stopped using it, and I would have gotten paid, but I stopped using it not because I didn't want to, but because I just found other stuff to do. And it took up more of my time. I actually have a part-time job now, so I can't really devote all my time to my apps and stuff like I want to. But that aside, $15, I know you guys, that seems like it's not a lot, but it's something, okay? So that's it for GiftLoop, and I hope you guys, you will download this app. That is my referral link if you want to join. So all you guys got to come on here and do is swipe, and the cat, little picture of cats, and the quote, the little logo, the text that you see, you always hit that because it's going to say collect 5 coins. Collect 5 coins. And you hit that and you get 5 coins. Every now and again it's going to say, watch the video and earn 50 coins. You want to do that every chance you get. Every time you get a chance, you want to watch the video for 50 coins. It adds up, you guys. Okay? I mainly got to this amount by doing a paid trial offer, doing install and run mainly, and they give you high points to do install and run. So I mainly earned from doing that alone. Okay? I came on the app and I was working it a little bit, and I wanted to make a video on it because I figured, why not? I haven't done it in a while. I want to make a video, let you guys know. I'm back to using GiftLoop now, and I'm going to be making frequent videos on it just so you can stay in the loop on what's going on. All right? So this is Financial Freedom with Velvet, and I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel, share it, and, hit that like button. And hope to see you guys in future videos.